Hello and welcome to the world of trading technical indicators. I would like to thank Karis Capital, in particular, the managing director of Equity Sense PTL Ltd, Sophia, for commissioning me to make these quick and rapid instructional videos for you. So, this is to help you understand how to properly use these indicators. Okay, there isn't a holy grail of indicators, and for me, my background from Wall Street, I've been trading for almost 15 years now. I know these indicators. I've been taught how to use them, but I do not use them for my own trading. Not in the last 15 years have I used them. But I am commissioned to make this video so that those of you who have decided that these indicators are of value to you, and it seems like this is the top five that Sophia has said are being used by clients, it will help you understand and use it properly, and so that you get the right and official instruction or educational video on how to use them. Okay, it's indicators during this first introductory video is that are very lagging. What do I mean by lagging? Meaning it needs a lot of data before it can tell you exactly where it's what it's supposed to be. So by the time the whatever you're trading has moved, you may be a little bit late when your indicator has told you it's going to go up or down. So that's what I mean by lagging. What is real time is always price. What is real time is a piece of news coming out. Those are all real time indicators of what can happen to your market. So I hope that you take that into consideration, that extremely significant limitation that it is going to be lagging. However, again, per the, as, due to the kindness of your managing director, she has asked me to do this so that you can understand much better in terms of how to use them, and then you can see for yourself whether or not they actually will work. So we'll tackle from top to bottom, right? We'll tackle moving averages, the RSI, the relative strength index, the MACD, moving average, convergence, divergence, stochastics, and then of course the parabolic SAR. So these are the common ones that all of you have been using apparently, and that's what have been asked to explain better. Okay, so again, before I finish this first introductory video, just remember, I do not use them. It doesn't mean I don't know how to use them. I just don't use them because we trade differently. At the same time, I trade price as a real-time function, and that's what's been working. At the same time, for me as a person, I prefer to have my charts extremely clean. Like what you see right in front of you is exactly what I have on my charts. At the same time, the candlestick charts is just one way to represent what's happening. You can change it to, this one, which is an OHLC or a bar chart. You can change it to a line chart, whichever one you feel comfortable, right? At the end of the day, it's about which representation makes sense to you and how you understand it. And if it makes sense to you in this way, that's pretty cool. All of these indicators will still work regardless of what chart type you're using, okay? And as far as the time frame goes, whether you're using a daily chart, a 5-minute chart, and all that stuff, this is going to be the only rule you'll have to remember. If you are going to choose to be a day trader, you have to use either a 15-minute chart or anything lower than a 15-minute chart. That's 1-5. So if you're going to be a day trader, meaning you're going to trade only the day and then you close your positions or you finish trading before the day ends, you can only use a 15-minute chart or lower. Those are the rules set by Wall Street. And then anything longer than that, anything longer than 15 minutes, then you're going to the swing trading life, right? Whatever you want to use, right? So that's the only simple piece of rule you need to remember about what time frames to use. Pretty simple, isn't it? There's no 7-minute explanation as to why you're using a half an hour chart, a 1 hour chart, a 4 hour chart, all that stuff. No, that's just the simple rule separating the day trade time frame and anything longer. All right, so head on over to the moving average video and then we can get started there.